Now I'm using Google Chrome browser, so here's our paint Chrome web store, and now search here Netflix Party and click on this first extension. Netflix Party is now Teleparty, and click on add to Chrome, add extension. So now click on this puzzle icon, and from here you need to pin the Netflix Party extension, and now open Netflix and log in into your Netflix account and start to play something. Then click on this extension. So after playing a video on Netflix, click on the extension, and here you will get a party or group link. So you need to share the group link to whom you want to join to your Netflix party. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.